Hello and welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, Sunday, the 24th day of December 2017. In this video, I'm not going to allocate a certain amount of time. I'm going to go over the chart ReddCoin, RDD, on multiple time frames. And then I'm going to go over how I've been trading it over the last week and such. So then, everything you do is always within your own risk and your own reward. This is the daily chart for RDD, which was recently earlier around 10 and a bit below, has rallied today up to about 200, has now fallen to 128. When I talk about the strategy about just placing buy orders and sell orders over and over and over again, well, the profit potential in here, buying or selling here, buying here, selling here, buying all the way down here, maybe a little bit of a sell in here, but a lot of selling now. Markets in the crypto space, they do go up a lot faster than they go down. And this really does show you, if you have patience to wait it out, the gains can come. Let's shorten out the time frame. And this will be the 60-minute time frame. And I want to go over the big mistake that I made. I know better. And I like this because this helps me for future reference. And that is, I entered this on the 16th. But I entered it at 15 Satoshi, which would have been in here. It would have been the 17th UTC time. I bought it at 15. But with this volume, you really can't ignore it. The mistake that I made was I bought not enough. The reason why I bought this was because I want to get as much that I can to trade against Litecoin, and that's what I did. I've sold it all out up here, but I have bought a little bit back. The market after the first rally has a successful correctionary move. This price fall, well, it had a higher low significantly from where it broke out from. The resistance established in here, well, it was definitely established to a big level, and then it went higher and it went big. And finally, on the 1 minute time frame, I sold off right at the top, everything that I had, and I bought it back at 133. I was looking in here. I could have bought it back at 150. I'm like, man, this thing is going to go lower at least. And I could have got cheaper too. But I want to go over the trading strategy, and which I did. So just recently at 9:01 a.m. today, I sold the last 20,000 ReddCoin that I had for a little under 1.99 Litecoin. 1.98, whatever, in that area, about 2. A Litecoin price that I sold it at was 9,965 Satoshi. And with a ratio of approximately 50-1 on the Bitcoin to Litecoin, that meant that the price action was about 199, and that was right at the top. At 9:08, I got my buy order in for the 133 Satoshi price, costing about 0.0333 Bitcoin, which is basically 1.7 Litecoin. So on this exchange, I've basically gained about 0.3 Litecoin, 0.29, and 5,000 ReddCoin because I bought 5,000 more than I sold. But I'm going to go over even the trades from when I started. So there's the net gain that I talked about. But on December the 16th, I bought 60,000 at 15 Satoshi. It cost 0.00782, and that is by far a minimum bet for me. I should have known within the volume. I should have probably went 0.02, 0.025. That was my mistake, but you know what, though, as a trader, you learn from it. Fool me once, fool me twice kind of thinking. December 20th, I sold 30,000 for 0.04416 Litecoin. And I did the same thing I did now. I bought it back immediately for 46 Satoshi. I was able to get a deal then. I bought 10,000 more than I sold. So that was very sweet. So now I was down at that point after 2 trades, 0.02627 Bitcoin, and I was up about a half a Litecoin. And then later that time frame, I sold even more. I mean, the thing went way up as I was showing. So 30,000 I sold for 1.175, and even a little bit more. I think the second one was because I just wanted to liquidate out and I was trying to accumulate Litecoin, and I sold a little bit of this to do so at a higher price. But the net result for everything was a cost. I'm out from this trade 0.0597 Bitcoin through those 3 ReddCoin purchases. Through all the sales, I have made 4.448 Litecoin, and I still have 25,000 ReddCoin that I just bought back. So therefore, well, I look at this Bitcoin right now, I could buy a little over 3 Litecoin with it. But how about 4.5 and some trading material to try to get more Litecoin later on? So this has been the longest 2.5 minute warning video ever, as it's about 5.5 as I'm about to do the conclusion now. Thank you for tuning in. I'll try to put a video out in the next hour or such. Maybe 2 hours. Take care. Bye-bye.